Okay, today ang ituturo ko sa inyo is about Facebook Pixel at ang pag-install nito. Alright, what is Facebook Pixel? According to Facebook, Facebook Pixel is an analytics tool that allows you to measure the effectiveness of your advertising by understanding the actions people take on your website. Ito pong Facebook Pixel na analytics tool, ika nga ni Facebook, ang siya pong parang spy natin. Parang siya po yung bantay sa ating tindahan, which is our website, at minamatyagan niya. Para silang mga in-house detective. Minamatyagan nila yung mga activities ng bawat bumibisita sa ating website, tapos nire-report nila yan kay Facebook. And then, nalalaman ni Facebook kung sino ba yung pumasok doon sa ating, nakarating doon sa ating cart, o nag-purchase mismo, o binasa lang yung content, nag-click ng mga buton, and nakarating sa thank you page, lahat yan. Malalaman niya ni Facebook because of our pixel. Now, it has a unique identifying number na pwede nating i-install sa ating mga websites. And also, Facebook Pixel makes sure your ads are being shown to the right people. Dahil nalalaman nila kung sino yung mga mahilig sa ganong klase ng produkto o serbisyo, nare-record sila ni Pixel at sinasabi kay Facebook na eto yung mga tao na ganito ang activities na ginawa ngayon. So, i-gather yan ni Facebook at magiging ang tawag sa kanila ay data. Now, magagamit natin to because they build our advertising audiences which we know are interested in our products, and then it's also becoming an additional future Facebook advertising through targeting. Pag nakita mo na sila, pumasok na sila dati, anong gagawin mo? Aalokin mo sila ulit. Paano? By targeting them again. You will remarket your product to these people. With Facebook Pixel, you reach the right people. Find new customers or people who have visited a specific page or taken a desired action on your website. Plus, create a lookalike audience to reach more people who are similar to your best customers. At isa pa, they drive more sales, itong Facebook Pixel, but I will have to be very clear. Facebook Pixel doesn't guarantee sales, okay? Hindi naman ko mo sinasabing it will drive more sales, it is already the one that's creating your sales. No, it's only part of the whole campaign and is a very very good tool para malaman mo kung sino bebentahan mo. Kasi alam mo agad na interesado na tong mga to. That's the best thing about Facebook Pixel. Okay? Kasi sila yung nakakakilala kung sino yung mga audience natin. Sino yung mga parokyano, suki, ganyan. So, it's the work of Facebook Pixel. They will set up automatic bidding to target people who are more likely to take an action you care about, like making a purchase. Yung mga alam nila na tao na siguradong mahilig bumili sa mga online websites at saka mahilig bumili ng katulad na produkto na inaalok mo, tatargetin nila yan. And then, isi-set up mo yung automatic bidding mo kasi si Pixel mo ang magsasabi na itong mga taong to, sigurado na to ha, buyers lahat yan, sure buyers lahat yan. So, bibigyan mo yan ng budget. Measure the results of your ads. Si Facebook Pixel din po ang gumagawa niyan. Facebook Pixel understand how successful your ad is by seeing what happened as a direct result. You can view information like your conversions and sales. Nakikita yan sa Facebook Insights. There are 3 available options to install a pixel on your website. Isa, connect a partner platform. Ito po yung pagsanay ka na o may ginagamit ka ng website, meron silang mga instructions katulad ng WordPress. They will talk to each other. Magkakaroon sila ng automatic connection para i-install yung sarili nila. But If you're not really technical or you don't really understand much about it, wag na po. So, I suggest manually install Pixel yourself. Kasi ako, yun ang ginagawa ko. And it's working well for me. And also, ituturo ko din naman po yan sa inyo kung paano. Or if you have a web developer, yung pong nag-handle ng mga websites nyo, pwede nyong i-email sa kanya yung instructions. Meron po sa Facebook instruction doon. At from that time na ginagawa mo siya, may pop-up window doon, sasabihin niya kung gusto mo bang i-email ito sa iyong web developer, kailangan lang naka-ready po yung email address ng tao na yon. Okay? So, okay. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to jump in right into the action. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano i-install ang Facebook Pixel. But, you have to remember na i-install lang to kung may website na kayo. Okay? Sa websites nyo po, ito ini-install. I'm using WordPress, usual na ginagamit. And so, I'm just telling you na I can only demonstrate on how to install it on WordPress. And that's the one I'm using. Okay, let's go. Okay, ngayon po, gagawin na natin yung pag-i-install ng Pixel sa ating website. To be able to do that, kailangan nandun kayo sa Events Manager ninyo, ha? Sa Business Manager's dashboard, makikita nyo po ito, and then you will see on this column na nandyan yung pixels. Yan po yung i-click nyo at dadalhin niya kayo rito. So, eto na. Ngayon, gagawa tayo ng pixel. So, there you go. Lilitaw itong pop-up window. Lalagyan mo siya ng pangalan. There will come a time na dadami po ang inyong ad accounts dahil dadami ang inyong clients. Now, kailangan yung pixel name ay madaling ma-identify kung kaninong client nyo ang pixel na yon, para sa ang website o para sa anong product. So, best way is kailangan yung pangalan niya is connected doon sa business na ginagawaan mo ng advertisement, okay, ng Facebook ads. Now, ilalagay ko ngayon itong website na to. Oops. Okay. Huwag niyong kakalimutan, kailangan tamang ad account yung ginagawaan niyo ng Pixel para dun sa tamang website. Okay, click create. So now, sabi niya, okay na, nagawa na yung Pixel. May magpa-pop up dyan ngayon. Instruction yan, paano i-install ang inyong Pixel sa website. There is something na automated kung paano i-install, but I highly recommend na gawin nyo na lang po ng man. Even my mentor, the way he teach Pixel installation is to set it up manually. So, ganun ang gagawin natin. Set up manually. Dadalhin niya kayo dito. Ito yung instruction. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, kalimutan nyo itong number 1, punta kayo sa number 2. Tandaan nyo, kailangan itong strings of code na ito ay i-copy nyo dahil ipipaste natin sa ating website. Forget about the rest, babalikan natin sila. Punta tayo ngayon sa ating website. Nagpupunta tayo sa plugins and then add new. Nakita niyo po yan. Yan, add new. Maraming pwedeng Pixel plugin kayong pwedeng gamitin. And you can choose any of them na komportable kayong gamitin at madali para sa inyo. Ako po kasi madali para sa akin ang tracking code. So, hahanapin ko siya at i-install ko dito. Ang pangalan ng creator niya ay Khaled. Hanapin natin si Khaled. Eto. So, kiklik ko yung install now. After installation, makikita nyo dyan na kailangan i-activate siya. So, click activate. Ito po activate. In the meantime, ipapaliwanag ko lang po. I'm using WordPress. That's the way I can only show you how to install it through WordPress. Kasi po, yun ang ginagamit ko. Perhaps, kung iba pong platform ang gamit, meron silang mga instructions. I believe they have tutorials for that. Okay? So, for now, dahil ang website ko ay WordPress, that's the one I'm going to show you. Now, so we are inside WordPress. Pupuntahan natin yung settings and then andun na siya, tracking code. Puntahan natin si tracking code. Okay. Ito yung ginawa ko kanina. Well, basically, meron dalawang space kayong makikita. One is for the head, yung mga kailangan ilagay sa head na mga code, etc. etc. Dito yun sa taas. Okay? Yung mga kailangan ilagay sa footer, dito naman po siya sa baba. Yung website, yung pixel code natin, ika-copy natin yan and then ipipaste natin dito sa add tracking code to HTML head. Okay? Kung meron naman po kayong website developer, alam nila yan kung paano yan gagawin. So, na-save ko na na-paste ko na dito, we're gonna go and click save. So, andyan na siya. Tapos na, ganun lang po yun kadali. Okay? So, ito-test natin ngayon kung working na siya, kung active na siya. I-log out ko lang kasi that's the best way to test kung yung pixel mo is working. So, pupunta tayo dito. Hindi nyo to isasara, itong window na to, kasi kailangan nyo yan i-test later on after nyong in-install ang inyong pixel. Send test traffic. Hihintayin natin kung anong sasabihin niya. And there you go. Sabi niya active na. You're done. And that's all. This one, you can turn it on or off. Basahin yung mabuti. Bakit kailangan yan? I have turned it off for myself. But then, you can turn it on. Pero before you do that, basahin yung mabuti. What's the advantage of turning it on? Okay? But then, for now, lalo na sa mga beginners, you can turn it off. Just turn it off. Okay? Alright. So, hit continue. Ready na po ang pixel nyo. Okay, just click done. You're ready to go and I'll see you next video.